Alright guys, welcome to today's episode. So what we are doing today is we are starting from question 45. So the question states, which of the following is not a pollution control measure? That is, when we want to control pollution, what are the measures that can help us to control pollution? Option A, penalizing those who dump refuse on water or land. That's a good control measure. Option B, controlling the emission of smoke from automobiles and industries. That's still a good measure. Option C, ensuring that there is no spillage of oil. That's also a good way. Option D, establishing government agencies like FEPA. So take note of this acronym, Federal Environmental Protection Agency, FEPA. So option E, channeling sewage into streams. Now you want to prevent pollution, but you are still putting feces inside the streams. This sewage, they are like feces. So you now channel them inside the what? Inside the streams. You don't know that when you channel them inside the streams, you are going to cause water pollution. That's when the streams will be smelling. So that's also a pollution. So you are causing pollution. So that 45 is not a what? Number, this option E is not a pollution control measure. So number 46, which pair of structures contribute to balance in mammals? That is, it helps us to balance when we are moving. It doesn't make us to fall. So the answer is just utriculus and circulus. That's the answer, not malleus and stapes. It is this utriculus and circulus which is in the inner ear that causes what? So it means the ear is not only for hearing, it's also for balance. But the main structure that makes the mammal that make us to stand and not fall is what? The utriculus and circulus. So let's go to number 47. So spermatogenesis and oogenesis are both terms used to describe. So spermatogenesis is the production of spermatozoa. Oogenesis is the production of the egg cell. So they are both terms used. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis are both terms used to describe option A, mitosis, option B, meiosis, option C, mating, option D, implantation. So option E is what? Gametogenesis. So our answer is option E, because gametogenesis is the production of gametes, and gametes can be spermatozoa or egg cell. So that's our answer. Our answer is what? Option E. So number 48, which of the following is not a continuous variation? Continuous variation. What's the meaning of continuous variation? Continuous variation is a morphological variation, while discontinuous variation is physiological variation. We have two types of variation actually. We have the morphological or continuous variation, or continuous continuous variation, and we also have the physiological or discontinuous variation. So these are the two types of variation we have. So when we say something is not continuous variation, so it means it is physiological variation. Now when we are talking of morphological variation, they are the variation that has to do with structures. That is, you can see them with your naked eye. You can see it. It's something you can see when you see a person. For example, the height of plants is a morphological variation. That is, you can see that this is the height of this plant. Skin color, yes, you can see that also. Length of fingers, you can see that. Leaf size, you can see that. But ability to roll tongue, if the person did not roll tongue, you will not know that the person actually has the ability of rolling tongue. There are people that have the ability of rolling their tongue, that they can roll it. And so that is a what? Is a discontinuous variation of physiological variation. So our answer here is what? Option C. So thank you for watching today's video. If you consider this video helpful, you can share it to your loved ones and friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification icon Thank you and God bless you.